Hi, my name is Richard Nance. I sell used trucks. Today I have a 2020 Mack Pinnacle. This truck was from our leasing and rental department. Has been detailed, DOT inspections up to date, and all PM services are completed. This truck has a 207-inch wheelbase, MP8, 445 horsepower with an Eaton 10-speed transmission. This truck features a 2-line wet line kit and a sliding fifth wheel. Note it also has metal quarter fenders. The tires are 11R 22.5s. With a gear ratio of 325. The DPF was cleaned on this truck less than 500 miles ago. This truck currently has 271,445 miles. This truck will make a great farm truck, first-time owner-operator truck, or an addition to your fleet. Please call Richard Nance, 336-663-2891. Thank you.